Assalamu alaikum dear students. Tashkil Hussain Khokhar is here, your physics teacher. So this is the lecture number 12. Topic is vector representation. Representation. Vector can be represented symbolically as well as graphically. Symbolically, vectors can be represented by bold face letter, either capital A or small a. Vector can be represented by simple face letter with a arrowhead upon or below than that letter as A vector, B vector, C vector, or A vector, B vector, C vector, or A B C ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. In this chapter, vector is symbolically represented by A capital, B capital, C capital, or A small arrow, B small arrow, C small arrow. The magnitude of a vector can be represented by simple face letter as A or A magnitude vector A arrow. Read as A modulus. Modulus shows that the magnitude of vector. Symbolically, the direction of a vector is represented as A head. Read as A cap. As a vector has a magnitude and a direction, therefore, symbolically can be expressed as A vector is equal to A vector A arrow modulus or A cap. Graphically, a vector is represented by an arrow which is drawn according to a scale. The length of arrow gives the magnitude of vector quantity under the selected scale, and the arrow head indicate the direction of the vector. For example, a student traveled 100 meter from school towards east. Graphically, it can be represented as late 1 centimeter represent 10 meter. It means that scale should be drawn for long magnitude 10 meter equivalent to 1 centimeter. A starting point और ओ ओरिजिन कह सकते हो आप एट बी एंड पॉइंट, तो 10 मीटर ईस्ट ईस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ. ये जो है आप लोगों ने जो है मतलब डायरेक्शन जो है वो शो करना है. उसके साथ साथ जो है रिप्रेजेंटेड लाइन जो है उसका स्केल ड्रा करना है और उसका एंड पॉइंट और स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट उसको मेंशन करना है. एंड पॉइंट पे क्या करना है, एरो हेड देना है आप, और स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट वो टेल कहलाता है, एंड पॉइंट जो है एरो हेड वाला वो हेड कहलाता है. द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज यूजुअली ओरिजिन और टेल of a vector. The end point is usually called head of vector. Okay, so this is the vector representation. So for your assignment is make the notes of this topic and send me capture of these notes, and then I will remark on that and send you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.